cakes are basically moist, while some are fluffy and dry, like the sponges. It is therefore ideal for you as a baker to be able to strike a balance between moist and fluffy. And that's why today I'll be talking about simple sugar syrup. There are two major items we're using in this recipe. The first is the granulated white sugar, and the second is your room temperature water. And the minor item is your flavor. This is optional, but I usually incorporate flavors into my sugar syrup. There are two ways I do this. It's either I do the ratio 1:1 or the ratio 2:1. What this simply means is, if your sugar is 1 cup, your water is 1 cup. That is a ratio 1:1. For rich sugar syrup, I do ratio 2:1. If your sugar is 2 cups, your water is 1 cup. That is just the logic behind it. It's very, very simple. So first I added all items into my pot. This is the pot I use for all my syrup. And then I stir them together to moisten the sugar. And I'm going to place this on low heat to simmer. If you are still watching, it means you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. It shouldn't boil, just simmer on low heat. Now this is ready. I turn into a bowl to allow it to cool or come to room temperature before storing. You can either apply your sugar syrup on your cakes with a squeeze bottle or with the aid of a pastry brush. Either way is good. Now, does this make your cake spoil? No. Does it make it soggy? No. It only retains the moisture in the cake till the last bite. Now you can also use your sugar syrup as marinade, as sweetener for those of us who make cocktails. Please check the description box below for a link to the detailed recipe. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like my video, leave me a comment, feel free to ask your questions, tag me to your creations on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter, on TikTok. I'd love to see your feedback. Thank you for your support and see you next week.